Hello?
Hello po.
Hello,
Papa Jo, good
magandang umaga. Good morning. Good morning, Ngani.
morning.
Anong pangalan po?
Chim po.
Ano po?
Chim. Chim.
Chim.
Yes po.
So, Mitch talaga yan, ano? Hindi.
Ano po yun?
Mitch, hindi. Kasi Chim parang biniliktad na. Parang ginulong Mitch, hindi naman.
Hindi naman po.
Ano ba yan? Hindi ko na wala. Pero unique ha, Chim. No? C-H-I-M. Tama? M ba or
Yes,
N?
yes po. M po. M.
As in mama.
Yes po.
Ano to? Screen name to?
Screen name po.
Ang cute naman. Unique. Palakpakan natin mga kaibigan. Pag-isipan. And you're calling from what part of the world, ma'am?
I'm currently in Bicol po, Papa Jo.
Taga dyan ka?
Hindi po. I was assigned here for work.
Saan sa Bicol, ma'am? Naga? Legazpi?
Yes po. Naga po.
Naga. Okay. Nakatambay ka na ng ano? CDAB?
Saan po yun?
CWC?
Yes po. Apo. Yes po. Nakapunta na po doon.
Dati may mga friends kasi ako dyan. Wala na ngayon, nasa UK na sila. Yung iba. Nasa Maynila na rin. Sa CDAB, di ba meron dyan yung, anong tawag yung sports na yun? Yung waterboard, ano ba yun?
Yung parang may humihila sa'yo.
Oo, di ba? Tapos paghapon, meron binibenta dyan yung beer na sobrang lamig. Maupo ka dun sa may wakeboarding.
Wakeboarding yan.
Naalala ko kasi yung mga friends ko dati dyan taga dyan. Hindi sila taga dyan, taga Maynila sila. Na-assign din sila dyan. Anong work mo, ma'am?
I'm an accountant po.
Accountant? Okay. Talino pala to, guys, no? Hindi natin pwedeng tanong sa number to. So, yung company mo, mayroong office sa Maynila, inassign ka dyan?
Yes po.
Ba't ikaw?
Hindi ko rin alam pa ba. Kasi kung saan nila ako pinapadala kasi. I mean, I just started there sa company last year. Tapos parang inassign ako kung saan may project.
Ang galing. Bakit ikaw pinakamagaling sa kumpanya? Hindi kaya?
Ayoko po mag-assume pero basta ewan ko kung bakit ako lang yung...
So,
kasi ako daw yung single Papa Jo. Kasi yung iba kasi
hindi naman siguro.
Married na.
Imagine mo, pero feeling ko ikaw pinakamagaling. Try mo, ikaw kumpanya. Kailangan natin ng accountant sa Bicol, ipadala yung pinakabobo, ganun ba yun? Papalpak yun. Ikaw talaga yung... Walang kumpanyang gagawa nun, di ba? Sorry. So, pinag-isipan ko sasabihin ko yun, intrusive thought. Natalo po ako ng intrusive thought ko. Sorry. Sorry. Akin. May point naman, may point. Anyways, okay. Pero taga Maynila ka talaga, ma'am.
Yes po.
Gano'n ka katagal dyan mag-stay sa Naga?
Hindi ko pa po alam po pa dyan kasi mga ilang years din ko kasi yung project dito. So wala pang definite answer.
So parang ito, construction?
Parang gano'n po. Contract po siya.
Okay, sige. Alright. Sige po. What can I do for you, Kim?
Hindi ko po alam ano po. Kasi yung Papa Jack kasi diba I told you po sa chat that I was having suicidal and self-harm thoughts for more than a month.
Okay, I'm sorry. Wait lang, ma'am. I did not read that part because I don't read yung mga... Sometimes you send me a kilometric letter. I don't.
Okay.
Did you say that to me?
Yes, I did last, I think for more than
Ganito,
3 weeks.
okay,
First,
ganito. Chima na, para alam nyo
yes, yes, yes.
sa lahat, no?
Mm,
Okay. When you're about to be my caller, I don't read most of the time, no? What you tell me.
mm.
Kasi magkakakwentuhan naman kita eh.
Okay.
Okay, sige ma'am. Lakasan mo yung voice mo, ma'am. I think this is a very important
Okay po.
conversation. You agree?
Yes po,
Okay.
Papa Jack.
This is a consequential conversation.
Mm.
Mm.
So, I would like to start my story po na last 2022, nung umuwi po ako sa province po namin.
Mhm.
Then, nung pag-uwi ko po noon, I met a guy. He's like, parang bago siya sa church namin kasi nakauwi ako sa province after, I think, more than around 8 years yata, parang ganun. So, madaming nagbago, ganyan, madaming
Anong province mo, ma'am,
church.
by the way?
Romblon po.
Romblon. Nandito ba maraming marmol doon, ma'am?
Yes po.
Sige. Okay. Tapos po?
So, ayun po, I met a guy.
Mhm.
Tapos, I only stayed there for March, April, May, around 2 to 3 months lang. Pero,
Mhm.
ayun nga, kasi dahil, kasi nga, gusto kong, sorry, Papa Jack.
Okay lang po.
Kinakabahan lang po.
Sige, ma'am. Magtatanong ako. You met a guy,
Mm-mm.
alright?
Mm-mm.
Ano po yung context na na-meet mo yung guy? Sorry.
Kasi sa church lang din po kasi siya, Papa Jack. Kasi parang,
Hindi po yun ang tinatanong ko.
he was,
No, kasi you can meet many guys. No? When you say, I met a guy, anong context ng meeting na yon? I mean, love interest ba? Advisor ba yung dating? Ano po yun, ma'am?
he's currently my boyfriend po.
Okay. Yun pala yun. So, na-meet mo sa church, tapos niligawan ka niya.
Hindi pa po that time, Papa Jack, kasi parang, yun nga, parang acquaintances na lang po muna, tapos parang, as in masyadong interaction na usapan ganyan, pero parang friendly, ano lang, ganyan.
Gano'ng katagal bago
Tapos,
gano'ng katagal after the first meeting before bago kanya pinursue?
Madami kasing nangyari, Papa Jack, since 2022 kasi kasi yun nga, sinabi ko kasi nagka-crush kasi ako sa kanya.
May tsura.
So kasi hindi naman po kasi he was really active sa church, tapos he's like really physically active.
Basketball,
So,
ganon?
yung hindi po, he's a mountaineer and
Talaga?
an ultra runner po. Opo.
Active talaga yan, no? Malakas lungs niyan.
Tapos, ayun po. Tapos kasi, nung 2022 na yun, dahil sa meeting namin na yun, tapos dahil I was parang active sa church, kasi parang I was really into spiritual things that time, like my relationship with God, something like that. It led me to delusion and hallucination po.
Okay, wait lang. Naputol ka doon, but I want you to say that again. I want you to say that again. Exactly as you said it.
Kasi yung meeting ko po with that guy, parang, kasi I was parang active din that year sa church. Like I was like my spiritual well-being and being active sa church and parang relationship with God, ganyan po. It led me to delusion and hallucinations po.
Okay. Okay, medyo that caught me unprepared. You are attributing your delusion with with you being active sa church? Is that what you're saying?
Yes po, Papa Jack.
Oh, how? I'm sorry. Explain to me.
Kasi, kasi actually the very topic kasi in the Bible kasi that triggered me to hallucinations and delusion is the revelation, yung sa end of times.
Oh, so meron kang kumbaga,
Mm.
you had tangible fear of the end of the world. Yung kasi yun eh, di ba?
Not really the fear, Papa Jack. It's like I treated it as a mission for me to
Oh,
like do this because the world is ending. Parang ganon. Parang ganon yung nangyari.
exactly what I said.
Yes.
Okay. O, sige, okay ma'am. Okay, ganito, ma'am, disclaimer lang ha. I'm going to reserve and I will be ma'am sa opinion ko when it comes to your belief kasi I think that's disrespectful. I'm going to skirt
Thank you,
around
Papa.
I'm going to skirt around the topic of your belief kasi po hindi ko pakikialaman yan. Okay lang po ba?
Yes po.
Alright. Okay, go ahead po.
Tapos, kasi connected siya sa guy kasi parang umabot siya sa parang phase ng or hallucination episodes ko na parang I can do telepathy with him. Kasi it's really nonsense kasi Papa Jackie kasi once you're into it, my brain is not working. Lang insanity po talaga. Yun pa talaga yung term.
No, don't worry. Ma'am, I'm completely on board with this. These are the types of documentaries that I watched. So, huwag ka mahiya sa akin, okay?
Okay.
This is not the first, I want you to be comfortable. Hindi po ito yung unang beses ko po na medyo nagulat lang ako, pero hindi po, kasi, I don't know, to make you more comfortable, kakwentuhan kita muna bago ka tumuloy. Kasi uutal ka mamaya, no? Okay. Nung there was a war in the world dati, I think it's the Second World War, where a country, I think it's Germany or US yata, no? That nag-hire sila ng mga taong who claim to have yung sixth sense.
Yes.
Alam mo to, yung documentary na to, no? Para hulaan kung nasaan yung mga tinatagong weapons ng kalaban. ESP, parang ganon. So, kumbaga, very modern kasi yung panahon ngayon. No? At some point, dismissive tayo sa ganito. No? But even the top-ranking officials of military noong unang panahon, naniwala sila dito. So, it is not an alien topic to talk about. So, I'm telling you this not because I'm an expert, because I want you to be comfortable sa kwentuhan natin. Ayaw kita mahiya. But, I am not going to pretend, okay, that I know all the answers to your question. Is that okay?
Yes po.
Okay. Alright. Sige po, tuloy niyo po.
Tapos yun po hanggang sa dumating na sa bumalik ako sa Manila. Tapos lumala.
Sorry. Yung sinasabi mo sa kanya that you thought you can almost perform
telepathy?
Oo. Sa kanya, paano
Yes
po yun?
po.
Ikwento mo nga sa amin yun, ma'am.
Ayun, parang kasi Papa Jackie, kasi parang yung physical, wala talagang physical connection. Pero nagkatabi kami sa isang church, ganyan. Pero parang it's all in my mind lang po na parang ano ba sabihin, parang umusbong na lang na I can do telepathic something sa kanya. Parang he can read my mind, ganyan.
Okay. And what were you saying to him through your mind?
It's a mix po kasi Papa Jack, like romantic and also related po sa religion po.
And you thought he was receiving the message parang ganon?
Yes. Yes.
Were you able to confirm that sa kanya? Parang narinig mo ba yung sinabi ko sa utak mo ganon or hindi?
No po, kasi wala kaming interaction. I mean, he chatted me hindi, nagka-chat kami pero as in, parang ano ba, one-liner lang po kasi Papa Jack, eh.
Mhm.
Gano'n lang. Kasi he was a missionary kasi, so I really look up to him.
Okay, okay po.
Tapos parang I asked him, parang, "Paano po maging missionary if you are like, physically not, active?" Ganyan. Tapos he would reply din sa akin, ganyan. Tapos until yun nga nangyari na tapos, from the province bumalik ako ng Manila tapos to work and
Mhm.
also pagbalik ko ng Manila, ano na siya, lumala na yung kalagayan ko, yung episodes ko as in hindi na ako nakakatulog, as in walang tulog na talaga, pati yung pagkain ko wala na rin.
Okay.
Ay
Jim, describe to me what is an episode?
An episode po, paano ba yun kasi yung term Papa Jack 'pag sinasabing parang 'pag inaatake ka, parang gano'n yung na parang gano'n po.
Ano yung nangyayari 'pag inaatake ka?
I'm out of my mind.
What do you do?
Kasi yung delusion and hallucinations ko ay related sa religion and sa, parang sa end of times. Yung ginagawa ko ay
Okay, ano yung sabi mo? Ano yung sabi mo, ma'am? Delusion and?
hallucinations po.
Okay.
Yung ginagawa ko po, PPJ, ay namimigay ako ng mga like flyers about God.
But that's not delusion. I mean, a lot of people do that.
Yes po, pero a lot of people do that pero yung mind ko is not well na po, eh.
Okay.
Mm.
Sige po.
Tapos until yun nga hanggang sa yung family ko, yung kapatid ko at yung asawa niya, sister-in-law ko, yun nga na-observe na yun nga I parang kasi hindi pa nagte-telepathy siya. So I was laughing alone kasi parang kinakausap ko rin siya sa through mind, parang gano'n, parang umabot siya sa gano'n, PPJ. So I was really
So
like
you really thought
nabuang.
you were talking to your boyfriend.
Yeah. Yeah, parang nabuang talaga.
Okay.
Yun, yan. Tapos hanggang sa, yun nga, hanggang sa parang 3 months, I think around 2.5 months to 3 months,
Mhm.
bigla na lang may kumuha sa akin sa bahay, which is a psychologist and a pastor.
Sino ang tumawag sa kanila? Family member?
Yes po. Kasi my brother, nagsumbong siya kay mama ko at kay tita ko. And si tita ko, kasi uh, inquire sila sa isang hospital pero the hospital rejected kasi parang yung case ko raw hindi na raw nila kaya. So sa psych ward hindi na raw ako kaya doon. So ayun, may nakita si tita ko na parang mental facility.
Mhm.
So doon po ako dinala.
Mhm.
So ayun po, doon ako dinala sa rehab. So I stayed there for 1 year.
Okay.
Tapos do'n po naungkat lahat ng mga traumas, yung mga past, mga ganyan. Kung parang inuungkat kung saan talaga ako nanggagaling, why I ended up like that.
Okay.
Tapos ayun po kasi, first kasi Papa Jack is about my childhood. Kasi lumaki po ako with a family dynamics na as in yung away ni mama at ni papa as in parang tutukan ng kutsilyo, basagan lahat ng gamit, mga ganyan po ba.
Okay.
Away sa pera, ganyan.
Okay, okay.
Kasi Papa was still supporting his family na parang nasa-sacrifice na rin yung sa amin.
Okay, what do you mean his family? May ibang family tatay mo?
No po, yung family niya na mama niya,
Mama niya. Okay, okay.
kapatid niya,
Mm.
kapatid niya, ganyan po. He's still providing for
Oh,
them.
okay.
Tapos, ayun po na parang lumaki ako sa ganyan na kasi Papa is a seaman po kasi.
Mm.
Tapos, parang pagdating ni Papa, syempre at first, okay naman. Pero after a few weeks or after a few months, hindi na okay. Parang dahil sa pera, na ubos na yung pera, ganyan. Away na sila ni Mama, basagan na ng gamit, hanapan na ng
So
pera.
kumbaga very
As in,
very yung relationship nila ay very volatile, parang gano'n.
Parang ganun, opo, ganun po. Tsaka kasi yung sa family side, kay Papa po kasi parang magulo po talaga yung family nila.
Okay po.
Kasi parang as in away talaga, yung malalang away.
Okay,
Ganyan.
okay ma'am.
Yung parang walang respect, ganyan. Tapos, ayun, lumaki pa ako sa ganyan. Tapos, kasi, nung nagka-boyfriend ako, mga 15 years old. Kasi, I was a rape victim kasi, Papa Jack.
When you were what?
15.
Who did that to you? Who did that to you?
May, yung naging boyfriend ko po that time. Kasi ngayon ko lang din nalaman na parang I confirmed na it was rape. Kasi it's not consented kasi eh. Kasi parang he would blackmail me na parang kasi ako kasi bata pa kasi ako ng Papa Jack eh. So syempre pag bata and as a girl parang gusto ko yung sarili ko kung sino yung una kong makaganon, maka-experience, yun na yung forever ko, parang gano'n. Tapos kasi, dagdag pa kasi yung insecurities ko. Kasi I was really fat and always, lagi akong binibiro sa school noon. Simula elementary, ganyan. Kasi yun din, sa childhood ko kasi, sa family kasi namin, on mother's side naman, laging may comparison between us cousins.
Okay.
So may mga matataas, may mga mababa, mga ganyan, may mga social, may mga, alam niyo po yun, kasi parang hindi ka pwedeng sumama sa kanila kasi ganito ka lang, parang mga ganun, ay si Jim ganyan, ano ba siya, parang compared sa yung papa niya, ganyan. Basta mga ganyan po, Papa Jack.
Okay po.
Tapos parang it added yung insecurity sa relationship, sa first relationship ko na yun. Kasi sinagot ko siya, yung lalaki na yun, kasi parang for the first time kasi, Papa Jack, parang sumaya ako kasi parang may nakapansin sa akin, parang ganun yung naisip ko.
Kumbaga that guy was able to fulfill some kumbaga empty space. Parang gano'n.
Yes.
Okay.
Until nangyari na lang na I was exposed na sa kanya na sinusuntok niya yung pader, mga ganyan. Tapos, dinadala niya ako sa mga lugar na, the worst is the cemetery. Dinala niya ako doon para lang galawin ako.
You were 15. Ilan taon yung lalaki na to?
Yes. 19.
Okay po.
Tapos, ayun.
Okay. Hello? Hello, Chim? Okay.
Hello po?
Hello, yeah. We kind of lost you a little bit there. Okay po, go ahead.
Tapos, nangyari po yun since the very first year na naging kami, until lumala PPJ na I went to college na, tapos hindi kasi alam ng family ko yung nangyayari sa akin. Na all they know is that I have a boyfriend, yun lang. Pero hindi nila nangyayari na ito yung ginagawa ng lalaki sa akin.
Okay.
Tapos ayun, pero, that guy kasi wala siyang namatay yung father niya. So, yung family ko, they even helped that guy na para makapasok sa school kung saan ako.
Okay.
Kaya the abuse was nag-continue dun until college. So, habang sa school parang
So
kasi
you were with this guy for a long time.
yes.
Okay.
Tapos ayun yun yung past ko. So, hindi talaga ako I would say, hindi ako naka-focus sa studies ko nun. Kasi nga, ah, kasi nga yun nga, because of that guy po.
Okay.
Kasi pag hindi siya napagbigyan, PPJ, parang bina-blackmail niya ako na, sasabihin ko to sa family mo, ganyan ka na
Until
may nangyari sa atin.
until Jim, ilang taon, until what age naging kayo? 15 from what age to?
15, 19 po yata ako.
Okay. Delicate question, but let me ask anyway. Ready?
Yes po.
So none of those times that you had may nangyari sa inyo ang nagustuhan mo?
Of course, there are times po, Papa Jack, na kasi Papa Jack, of course there are times na may nagustuhan po ako.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay na
Pero
po yan.
kasi Papa
Sige,
Jack, kasi
go ahead po.
yes po, okay. So ayun po, nang nangyari yun kasi ayun nga po, may times na ayoko kasi masakit na, Papa Jack eh. There are times na ayoko kasi he will just me all day kasi, Papa Jack. Na ayoko na pero tinitiis ko kasi sinasabi niya na ganito yung sasabihin ko kay mama mo, ganito yung sasabihin ko sa entire family mo, masisira yung pangalan mo, ganyan. Kasi I was also parang may name na inaalagaan, ganyan.
Okay.
Tapos, ayun, until nangyari na parang wala na akong emotion, as in parang null na, void na, parang habang ginagalaw niya ako, wala nang feelings whatsoever, wala na talaga.
Okay.
Tapos yun yung nangyari. So that's my past sa sa first boyfriend ko. Tapos yung sa family ko naman, until yung away ni mama at ni papa, until nangyari yun until 30 years old ako or 30. Basta sobrang...
So all of this are happening, kumbaga, etong your problem with your then boyfriend, your ex-boyfriend, at yung away sa bahay ninyo, nangyayari sa sa parehong panahon.
Yes po.
Okay, gets. Okay po.
Tapos ayun. Tapos nangyari kasi na nag-break lang kami, PPJ, nung first boyfriend ko kasi nung namagitan na si mama ko, nung kinuha na niya yung phone ko, tapos kasi umalis na rin siya sa school noon, so parang LDR kami. So kinuha niya yung phone ko ni mama, kinonfiscate niya, parang like I was grounded. Tapos parang siya na mismo yung nagbantay sa akin kasi parang
bakit niya kinuha? Ano ang trigger ng mother mo? Bakit niya kinuha? Ano yung nakita niya para gawin 'yon?
Kasi she read a letter from my boyfriend back then. Tapos di ko alam kasi kung ano nasa letter na yung PPJ eh. Kasi siya yung nakatanggap nun, tapos hindi niya sinabi sa akin. Tapos parang simula nun, parang kinonfiscate na niya. Tapos wala na. Tapos parang naputo yung communication ko until wala na. Ganyan. Tapos yun yung dahilan na nag-end yung relationship. Ayun. Tapos I also had a boyfriend next to that after after like
Mhm.
4 years, I think, ganyan. Tapos, ayun din, pero that didn't also end up well
Gaano
kasi
kata
LDR
so
nga.
yung at
Mm.
etong kinuwento mo ngayon, you were together for 4 years. Etong sumunod na boyfriend mo after nito, gaano katagal kayo?
Around 1 year lang po.
Okey,
Mm.
okey.
Pero ayun nga, kasi ano din, di ko rin alam, PPJ, kung bakit nag, ah, end talaga, kasi parang nalaman ko na lang from my best friend na he's already seeing someone, ganyan. So, ayun din, pero ayun nga. Tapos nung umuwi, after kasi namin mag-break din no'n, like 2015, ganyan, he's nagcha-chat pa rin siya sa'kin like every now and then,
Sino, yung
kinakamusta
una o yung
ako.
pangalawang guy, sino?
Pangalawa po.
Okey, nagcha-chat pa rin. Anong china-chat niya?
Mm. Nagkakamusta lang po.
Okey.
Mm. Tapos until yun nga, nung bumalik ako sa province back 2022, nung pagbalik ko, same same month na bumalik ako, PPJ,
Mhm.
yun din yung month na kinasal siya. Kinasal siya, tapos kasi may churchmate, like parang, ah, binalitaan niya ako, sinabi na, "Uy, Chin, si ganito." Sinabihan ko si ganito, yung ex ko, yung second boyfriend ko. Sabi niya, "Ay, nandiyan si ano, si Chim, bumalik." "Ay, nandiyan ba?" Sabi ko, "Ano,
Okey.
ipagpatuloy mo pa ba yan?" Ganyan.
Mhm.
So, pero yun nga, nakita ko na lang sa Facebook na they they got married na po. Tapos ayun po, yun po, PPJ, yung naungkat nung habang nasa rehab po ako,
Okey.
all of my past. So until ngayon, habang sa rehab ako, parang yun nga, yung purpose kasi nun ay parang to heal like the deep root ng kung bakit ako gano'n. Parang deep cleaning yung nangyari. So, parang pati yung trauma ko, yung anxiety ko, parang na-train na lang yung brain ko na hindi na lang isipin yun hanggang sa na-overcome ko siya, until the psychologist, parang really gave me a clearance na, ito si Chim, kahit anong sabihin mo sa kanya, okay na yan, wala nang, hindi na siya maaapektuhan. So ayun, parang yun nga, kasi parang sa rehab kasi, PPJ, parang may parang Big Brother house na may mga CCTV, and they
Mhm.
are really observing all of our all of our actions, ganyan.
Mhm.
Until yun, nakalabas po ako. Tapos kasi nung paglabas ko kasi, naoperahan din ako dahil sa ruptured appendix.
Okey.
So, so nagpahinga ako nun for a year. So that was
Chim, may question
2024.
ako, ma'am, 'no.
Mm.
'Di ba you were sent to rehabilitation?
Mm.
You said may dumating na ano na doktor, tama? And,
Mm.
madre ba 'yun?
Psychologist po.
Psycho
Psychologist po and
and
pastor.
pastor, I'm sorry.
Mm.
Was it explained to you when they were taking you to the rehabilitation? Kasi yung kwento pinapakinggan ko ano,
Mm.
um, it must have, I mean, your condition must have been so tangible para tumawag sila ng
Hmm.
tama, parang kumbaga gano'n siya ka-tangible sa mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo, tama?
Mm. Yes po.
Okay.
Pero
Okey.
they didn't explain po that time po, PPJ. Sinabi lang ng kapatid ko na, "Ate, let the professionals handle it." Parang
Okey.
yun lang yung sinasabi niya kasi hindi na nila kaya, eh.
Okey,
Tapos
yes, ma'am.
ayun, dinala na ako yun sa rehab. So that was my rehab days.
Okey po.
So,
How do you find the
after po
rehabilitation, ma'am? How did you find it?
it was so
Sobering ba,
parang
gano'n? I mean,
reset.
reset, okay.
Reset
Did did
talaga siya
did it
kasi
did
parang
it did it really help you, exponentially, parang gano'n?
yes po.
Okay,
It's
that's nice.
like really life changing po talaga,
Mm.
PBJ.
Kasi
Kasi
ngayong gabi
from
habang kausap kita, I mean, you have a good job, stable job, 'di ba? I mean,
mm, mm.
mm.
Yeah, and kasi PPJ, yun nga, nakalimutan kong sabihin, I was diagnosed kasi with schizoaffective disorder.
I was about to ask that, you
Yun.
know? Oo, I was about to
Mm.
ask that. But anyways, I wouldn't assume anything, ma'am, kasi this is not my
Mm.
field of
Okay.
expertise. I know that, no?
Okay.
Kung nakikinig
Mm.
ka sa akin na matagal na panahon at kung kilala mo ako, I will
Mm.
only deal with things that I know I can be of
Okay.
benefit to my
Okay.
caller, no? So, but thank you
Okay,
for
okay.
still trusting me. Okay, sige, tuloy niyo po.
Mm.
Mm.
Ayun po, PPJ, ah, nagpahinga ako, physical rest naman after the rehab dahil sa ruptured appendix. So, after noon, parang I contacted again this guy,
Mhm.
yung naging subject ng delusion ko and hallucination.
The first guy,
I
the first guy.
no,
Or
yung
or
boy, yung
or or,
boyfriend ko
or
po
the guy
ngayon.
that you met sa church who is active sa
Yes po.
mountaineering and a
Yes,
missionary.
yes, yes.
Okay, because
Yes
nakikinig
po.
ako na maayos. Okay po.
Yes, thank you.
Mm.
Ayun po, I contacted him like, kamusta, ganyan.
Mhm.
Tapos, kasi parang kilala niya din kasi ako, parang tinanong niya rin ako kung saan nagwo-work, ganyan,
Mhm.
ganyan. Tapos parang, until last 2025, like
Okay.
around September,
Mhm.
around September, ayun, parang halos everyday kamustahan na, parang
Okay.
like kasi he went back to school na.
Mhm.
Tapos he's 30, currently 39 po.
Okay po.
Tapos he went back to school, tapos until our conversation, um he was first year po kasi last year, PPJ. So second year siya nun. He's taking up nursing.
Okay.
And from kamustahan, parang it escalated sa parang sharing of experiences, ganyan, about the missionary work and about our past. Kasi he's parang medyo well-known din kasi siya sa tapos parang ayun din na may naungkat yung past, parang he had a relationship kasi for 10 years after he's married po pala. Sabi ko na ba yun? Hindi pa. He's married at 20 or 21 years old. Tapos he went kasi sa abroad to parang to provide for the family. Pero kasi nabalitaan niya that his wife has had another guy.
Okay.
Tapos parang kinonfirm na yun. Tapos ayun, yun nga, nasabi niya na parang kinausap niya yung wife niya, pero after a 1 year, wala, as in wala na talaga. Tapos after his wife, so he's parang separated na for 15 years, I think, more than 15 years, I think.
Okay.
Then after his wife, he got into a relationship for 10 years.
Okay.
Which also ended up last 2022. So, nung nag-meet kami, kaka-end lang pala ng relationship din nila. So, like, after that, he, kasi he also had a relationship din last 2024 for 1 year. Tapos, nung nag-end din relationship nila, I think July 2025, then nagkausap kami September. Tapos, until na nangyari na parang nagkamabutihan na po, PPJ, until around like November or December, parang nag-exchange na ng I love yous, ganyan.
Okay.
Tapos ayun, hanggang sa, kasi he's currently in Mindanao, so it's like an LDR relationship, kasi I also asked him kung bakit ganito, bakit na I love you, bakit na ano. So, syempre, crush ko kasi siya. So, parang, it gave me butterflies ang tawag doon. Basta parang, it made me happy po, ng ganyan. Kasi, syempre, your crush was,
Okay.
parang, So, parang, ayun po, then, sabi niya, Kasi walang ligawan na nangyari. Kasi parang, sabi niya, it's not practical daw. Sabi ko, okay. I really didn't thought, hindi na ako nag-isip na ng deeper than that. Tapos ayun, tapos hanggang sa nagpumabdihan, hanggang sa naging, parang naging kami na. Parang sabi, sige, so may tawagan na, ganyan. Tapos, kasi, ayun, tapos, last, paano ko ba sabihin to? Kasi PPJ, at first naman kasi okay naman kasi siya. Kasi nga, di ba, I was healed na sa rehab, ganyan. Pero kasi, as the time goes by, parang na uungkat na yung past ko, yun din. Kakasabi mo lang kanina sa previous caller mo na about the past. Pero, kasi parang, I am like observing yung mga patterns, my thoughts, and also his behavior, or like his chatting style or texting style, ganyan. But he's really like everyday chat, and parang lagi ako sinusuyo, ganyan. He's really kinakamusta ako, tapos naglalambing, ganyan. Pero kasi, ayun nga, sinabi ko naman sa kanya, before entering that relationship, tanggap ko naman sa kanya na he's married na, and also, sinabi ko na yun sa kanya na I accept you for who you are, ganyan. Tapos, pero kasi being the negative thinker that I am, kasi, so, I always expect the worst kasi, PPJ. So, I expect na hindi na siya ma-annul, though we are also like, napag-usapan din namin yung annulment, ganyan. Tapos, ayun din. Tapos, until nangyari na parang nag-die down yung parang paano ko ba sabihin to? Kasi nung may nangyari din, I really have to include this, PPJ, kasi hindi ko pa rin siya maintindihan po hanggang ngayon, though sinabi niya na yung issue na to parang wala lang, parang kasi sinabi ko kasi sa delusion and hallucination ko, though may involved na third party, and that is my childhood friend. And that childhood friend kasi, lagi akong parang kinukumpara doon.
Okay, okay, I'm sorry. You
Mhm.
kind of lost me there.
Sorry.
What did you mean when you
Sorry.
said third party?
It's in my delusion, PPJ, ha?
Okay.
Yung third party, yung third party kasi parang it's all in my mind kasi parang it built up lang kasi I have that insecurity against that girl.
So in your extra thought, I'm sorry, I don't want to call it delusion. Ano? Would it be okay if I'm going to call it extra thought para lang komportable ako?
Okay.
In your extra
Okay
thought,
po.
ang my third party ikaw?
No po, siya po.
Okay. All right, go ahead po.
Kasi, ayun po, that girl kasi, parang she's really like, yung like, a dream girl, parang ganun. She's pretty, ganyan, he's, like, fit, ganyan, and most of all, she's also intelligent, kasi because she's allowed in school.
Okay.
Tapos, and
tawag nito, honest, itong character na to exist in your extra thought.
yes.
Okay.
Opo. Pero real life din siya na totoong tao po.
Ano po?
Totoong tao din siya, PPJ, kasi childhood friend ko siya.
Okay. So in-apply mo sa kanya. It's a character that you know that you associated sa boyfriend mo.
Yes po.
Okay. Nakakasunod po ako.
Mm. Mm. Yes, and she's also like a
Ano po, she's like what?
uh she's a virgin kasi siya PPJ ba. So that's really my really great insecurity kasi
Mm,
'di ba I was bata pa lang ako, yun
mm.
nga nakuha na yung virginity ko. So
Okey,
tapos dagdag pa yan na my tito and tita would compare me to her na yan na she's exceeding parang she's na, nag-flourish siya sa academics and also in career ganyan. So it really parang parang yung comparison sa church and sa family parang yun kinimkim ko siya until I also found myself like comparing myself to her. So yun nga, so naungkat yun habang I'm in a relationship with this guy, and I also told this to him na in my delusion may ganito, may crush ka na sexy, ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Tapos sabi niya, yung exact term niya, sarap naman ng crush ko na yan. Sabi niya, sino kaya yan para ma-meet ko na? Sabi
kilala mo?
niya,
Kilala mo?
oo nga. Kaya nga kami sabi ko, gusto mo pakilala kita ako. Nainis ako ba? Kasi nainis ako. Tapos pareho pa kasi silang nursing ba? I mean, she's already a nurse right now. So, and then this guy is taking up nursing. So, kayo na magka-relate. So, sabi, ganyan. So that, sabi niya, kasi naging issue ko rin sa kanya. Sabi, kasi ako, di ba, ako kasi yung unang nagkamusta sa kanya, PPJ, di ba? Parang, on my part, parang yung isip ko, ako yung naunang lumapit sa guy. So sabi ko, dahil ba ako yung unang lumapit, parang palay na yung lumalapit sa manok. Is that, ganun ba talaga yun?
Okay.
Parang that's also one of my issues. Sabi ko, naging easy to get pa ako. Parang, yun din yung, I'm also contemplating din po if naging easy to get ako. Pero, kasi I want to clear things up with him kasi. So, yun din kasi na-learn ko from my past na be transparent on what I feel on everything. Tapos, ayun din, ano ba? Tapos yun yung sinabi niya. So sabi ko, hindi yan mawala sa isip ko. Sabi ko, tapos nag-build din yun ng parang insecurity ulit sa akin. So paano yan pag may virgin na lumapit sa'yo? So ganun ba talaga
Parang ang
yung...
hirap naman ba determine nun, di ba? Pag lumapit, hello, hi, virgin ka? Ganon? Parang mahirap yun, malaman, di ba?
Okay. So,
Pinatawa lang kita.
okay. Tapos ayun, parang yun, nag-build yun uli ng insecurity sa akin.
Okay.
Tapos, kasi parang di ba nasabi ko rin nga na I was really fat kasi since I was a child. Tapos kasi my highest known weight is 198 pounds, around 89 point something kilos. Tapos kasi ever since I met this guy, yung boyfriend ko ngayon, kasi binibira niya akong taba ching-ching. Tapos kasi diba I'm also insecure. So I was really determined to lose weight. So nag-lose ako ng weight. I did everything. So right now, I was successful naman, PPJ. Right now I'm naglalaro na lang ako sa 54 to 55 kilos. So yeah, so pero kasi diba he's a mountaineer. Tapos sinasabi ko sa kanya kung pwede ako sinasabi ko sa kanya na mag-gym ako kasi my arm, wala akong strength sa arm ko. Kasi I tried nung isang outing sa office na mag-rock climbing tapos hindi ko magawa kasi walang strength sa arm ko. Sabi niya, panay ka insecurity sa sarili mo. Sabi niya, hindi ka na ba nakontento sa binigay sa'yo ng Diyos? So sabi ko, paano naging insecurity yun if I just improve myself.
Hindi, baka
Sabi ko,
baka ang pinanggagalingan niya. Baka maybe, I don't know kung tama ako dito, but I'm trying to make sense of your story. Hindi kaya pinanggagalingan niya is that maybe if you want to exercise, do it for yourself. Not because hindi mo siya gagawin kasi yung ibang tao ang iniintindi mo. Di ba? I mean, it's for your own benefit. Kasi alam mo, mahirap mag-workout. Because alam mo, ang workout kasi self-punishment talaga yan eh. Di ba? Self-punishment talaga. Yan talaga katotohanan ng buhay. Di ba? Mahirap kasi itawid ng workout kung ginagawa mo ito, ang motivation mo is di ba? Dahil sa ibang tao. Dapat gawin mo yan because you really want to benefit from dun sa result ng exercise.
Ayun nga,
Baka feeling ko baka yun lang yung pinanggagalingan niya.
Okay po. So, yun din kasi sinabi ko rin sa kanya na because of that, yung sa rock climbing, na-realize ko na wala akong arm strength. So, gusto kong magpa-strength ng arms ko for me to do more like adventure, parang ganun po, PPJ. Parang kasi, yun nga, kasi I was fat since I was a child, so hindi ako mostly active sa pag-hike and everything, mga ganyan.
Okay
And
po.
kasi nung bata din kasi ako na nagka-fracture ako sa bone dito malapit sa spinal cord. So my mom really like kinausap yung mga PE teachers na I would be exempted sa school kasi nagka-fracture. So simula talaga bata, wala akong parang wala na ako ng physical activity pati sa school and also sa bahay. Parang hindi ako pinapagawa ng mabibigat na mga bagay, pinapabuhat, ganyan. So ayun din, kaya parang nung this time nung nag-lose weight ako, parang ang saya, parang sumaya ako, tapos parang gusto ko pang makita kung ano yung gusto ko pang makita kung ano yung kaya ko ng body ko, parang ganun.
Okay.
Na parang I want, kasi hindi ko yun na-experience for 30 years, hindi ko na-experience. So ngayon, parang yun din, parang I'm restarting life again, parang ganun. Tapos, ayun, tapos sabi niya, kasi yung sabi niya, yung gym, kasi it will lead me daw sa pagkainggit. Tapos, yun yung sinasabi niya. Tapos, hanggang sa we met last June.
Okay.
We met last June. Tapos, ayun, PPJ. Ano ko ba sabihin? Kasi, we met last June. Tapos, ewan ko.
Okay, wait lang.
Parang,
Wait. You met last June. When you've met last June, gaano katagal na kayo magjowa nun?
We started saying I love you November. 7 months?
Sinagot mo siya in person?
No. Sa chat lang.
So when you've met on June, was it the first time that you're meeting?
As boyfriend-girlfriend.
As boyfriend-girlfriend. Okay. Gotcha. All right. Gotcha. All right. Go ahead.
Tapos, ayun, PVJ. Tapos, we met last June. Tapos, hindi ko alam yung behavior niya towards me. Kasi parang, mag-kiss siya, alam niyo, parang nandidiri, parang ganun siya, bakit siya ganyan? Kung nandidiri,
Sorry. Okay. Chim, medyo ano yung linya mo?
Tapos,
Ano yun? Hindi ko alam yung behavior. How do you mean that?
okay. Hello po.
Okay. Ano ibig mo sabihin sa hindi ko alam yung behavior niya? Anong kahulugan po nun?
Ayun po. Kasi nakikringe siya sa akin, PPJ. Parang alam mo yung, parang nakangiwi siya, tapos parang sabi ko, parang yun yung sabi ko, yung isip ko naman, nandidiri ba to sa akin? Kasi 'pag tina-touch ko siya, lumalayo siya, parang ganyan.
Saan kayo
So sabi
nag-meet?
ko,
Saan
"Bakit
kayo
ka
nag-meet, ma'am?
lumalayo?" Sa Mindanao po.
Mm.
Mm. Tapos nun tapos nun 'pag magkasama kami, always lang siya ML, Netflix, ganyan. Tapos sabi ko, "Bakit walang ano?" Sabi ko, "Gusto ko minsan na nga hindi na nga tayo mag-LDR na nga tapos ganyan pa." Parang
Mm.
gano'n. Gusto kong makipag-usap, ganyan. Tapos may usap naman pero alam mo yung as in parang padaan lang
Okay. Saan kayo
na
nag-meet nung June, ma'am?
sa Davao po.
I mean, what place in Davao? Restaurant?
Uh, no, PPJ, we stayed there for like 3 days.
So you checked in.
Yes.
Okay. You're telling me that you shared a room and he did not want to touch you? Is that what? I'm sorry. Is that what you're saying?
No, that's not really the case because uh, 'pag naglalambing lang po yun yung behavior niya. Pero he he yun lang po 'pag naglalambing ako sa kanya
Ah,
parang
baka naman nag
nag-iiwas lang siya.
baka naman nag-ML lang, ma'am. Baka na misinterpret mo lang, di kaya?
Ewan ko po DJ kasi yun nga I also confronted him about that.
Ano po? I'm sorry.
Pero
What did you
I
say?
also confronted I also confronted him about that pero he didn't say anything naman. So, hindi ko
Okay.
alam. Tapos ayun, tapos,
Mhm.
after that mm, after that we went, we attended some event din.
Lakasan mo po, ma'am.
Tapos we attended an event din po. Tapos, um,
Anong,
di
okay.
ko alam. Mm.
Sorry, ano. Was he aloof and distant sa iyo the entire time or may mga time lang na aloof and distant siya sa iyo?
May mga times lang po,
Okay, okay.
PVJ.
Okay, okay.
Mm. So, ayun po,
Mm.
may mga times lang. Tapos, ayun po, PPJ, after that meeting, parang we went back to being LDR again. Tapos, ngayon, parang ay naging, parang may distance na after that.
Mhm.
But he also like told me nung nag-meet kami na parang he told me na he's fixing the marriage daw, ganyan.
Mhm.
And to like, he wants to, like, ano na ba, parang long term na, parang
Mm.
he wants me to be his last, ganyan. Tapos, kasi ngayon, he's in second year and he's like, parang last time, nag, uh, they visited a hospital. Hindi ko alam, basta it's in their course kasi. Tapos, ayun, wala na siyang time and as in wala na talagang time, PPJ.
Maybe
Tapos,
because he is studying.
mm, yes po, I know that, PPJ.
Mhm.
Pero I know that, PPJ, I accepted that.
Okay.
Pero may issue kasi is 'pag mag-usap kami gusto ko quality, I mean kahit konti lang, pero sana quality
What's
conversation din ba sana?
what's the definition of quality sa iyo?
Well, for me, the quality conversation is like, alam mo yung parang, ah, kamustahan and kaso yung nangyayari kasi, PPJ, parang away, yung nangyayari kasi.
Okay.
Mm. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, sabi ko, "Okey lang naman kasi naiintindihan ko." Kasi that was my issue pa way before pa na sabi ko, Kasi bigla kang nawawala, as in mga March or April pa, sabi ko, "Bigla kang nawawala." Sabi ko, kasi ako nag-aalala lang din ako. Tapos
'Pag
sabi ko,
nawawala, I
"Puwede
mean,
ba"
how long is that?
hindi naman mga 8 hours or half half a day, parang
Mm.
gano'n. So sabi ko, "Bigla kang nawawala, ano lang ba yung isang line lang ng text na magpaalam ka?" Ganyan. Kasi
Mm.
ako, wala ayokong i-restrict ka sa kung anong actions mo. I just want to know kung saan ka or anong ginagawa mo. Para ako wala rin sa isip ko kasi nga, kasi yun nga nag-aano din ako, nag-aalala din ako. Kasi tapos yun yung nangyayari ngayon na parang hindi na kami nagka-chat for like, I will paano ba? Kasi Vicky, sorry, I'm lost.
It's okay, it's okay, it's
Ah,
okay, it's okay.
oo.
Mm.
Tapos ayun PPJ, pero he would send me kasi daily Bible verses and
Mhm.
daily parang messages, ganyan.
Mhm.
He never failed naman sa daily. Tapos ayun, minsan hanggang gano'n lang, from daily messages once lang in the morning, tapos magna-night lang sa evening. Kasi ayun, tapos sabi ko, okey. Sabi ko tapos 'pag mag-chat naman, wala kaming parang scheduled na parang as time, parang gano'n. Parang, ito, parang gano'n. Tapos pero ayun PPJ, tapos kasi recently kasi, for more than a month na,
Mhm.
lagi na lang away and parang I don't have peace na po.
Okay.
Mm. I do not have peace na and, um, kasi dun ako nanggagaling sa, um, ano ba, kasi I am like parang analyzing things ba,
Mhm.
na parang analyzing things na yung assurance kasi PPJ, kasi parang I mean, ayoko na ng hindi, I'm not asking for marriage like assurance, pero gusto ko kasi yung emotional assurance na lang ba,
Okay.
alam mo yun? Mm. Gusto ko lang sa emotional assurance na kahit siguro, hmm, daily or like every other day na I love you, parang gano'n. Tapos wala kasing akong matanggap ba. Tapos, yun nga, tapos nag-away kami, tapos sinasabi niya na he would also like point out yung negativity ko, negative thinking ko, na puro ako doubt, ganyan. Tapos sabi niya na it also came to a point na minura niya ako, ganyan. Hindi ko alam ba, nagulat nga rin ako. Sinabihan niya akong bobo, tanga, ganyan. Tapos ayun PPJ, tas as in lately nung kailan ba yun, last 2 weeks ata, nag-PI siya. So that really caught me off guard kasi that is one curse that hindi ko kayang tanggapin kasi it involved my mom, parang gano'n.
Coming from someone na
Tapos
missionary ka mo, 'di ba?
yes, so I really expected
More,
like that,
okay.
pero parang kaya mm, from that kasi parang ayun din, pero sabi ko kasi PPG naging transparent din kasi ako, sa parang sa gusto ko, parang sinabi ko na kahit mag-ano lang, kahit yun nga, kahit sabihin mo lang kung saan ka, kung ano yung ginagawa mo, or hindi not really all the time, pero at least for a day ganito, for a week ganito, for few days ganito, that's fine with me. Kasi ayun din,
Pero hindi hindi niya pa rin maibigay. So
Mhm.
so ngayon parang lately on and off kami
Okay.
that gusto kong lumayo sa kanya. So ngayon parang kaninang umaga, ay kahapon na umaga, kasi parang naipon na yung ano na parang sabi ko, "Bakit ka ganyan? Parang material things lang ba yung habol mo? Parang parang physical lang ba?" Parang gano'n. Kasi parang lagi siyang sinasabi na pasalubong, "Ay pasalubong naman diyan," ganyan. Kasi lagi akong nag if I have an extra kasi nagpapadala ako sa kanya kasi 'di ba he's currently a student, so wala siyang income. So one of my love languages kasi is giving, so nagpapadala akong food sa kanya kasi 'di ba 'pag nursing puyat din, so
Mhm.
I'll give him nuts para may kasama siya na hindi siya maantok, ganyan. Tapos ayun parang lately parang naisip ko parang nati-trigger yun na from my past na parang kasi besides sexually abuse kasi I was like financially also abused kasi all of my allowances binibigay ko sa first boyfriend ko. Tapos yun ngayon naman ayoko na maulit. But pero mahirap kasi pala sa akin kasi that's the only love language kasi that's really my main love language. So yun, nagbibigay ako if I have something. Tapos parang ngayon naman si PJ, it's like I'm questioning my self-worth again.
Mhm.
Mm. Yun, one of my issues is hindi ko alam. One of my issues is parang ano ba 'to, parang tini-take for granted lang ba ako nito, parang
What do you wanna ask me?
dahil mm, I just wanna ask kung mahal niya ako.
Well, I don't think I'm the right person to be asked that question. Kasi hindi man ako siya. If I start answering that question, I might as well be assuming.
Mhm,
Okay. Um, alam mo, Chim, ganana. There are days that I find myself um, very ambivalent, no, on things that I'm going to think, no, and this is very rare. I do not know how to navigate around this conversation, no.
hmm,
Hindi ko alam kung ano yung hindi ko alam kung paano tayo mag-uusap ngayong gabi given the fact that you've told me the entire background, and I'd like to appreciate you and say thank you to you because um you trusted me. It's very difficult to trust a stranger like me online to tell your story, and that I recognize, no. What you told me regarding what happened in the past, what you went through sa rehabilitation,
hmm,
'di ba, your then mission before, kasi gusto kong tanungin,
hmm,
dati kasi religious ka, ngayon ba religious ka pa rin? So maraming kulang ako gusto malaman.
hmm,
So ito lahat ng ito, lahat ng kinuwento mo kanina, it has very little to do with what you just asked me.
hmm.
Ta-
Why?
Tama, di ba? Na? Very little to do, no, with what you just asked me. Um, um, I do not know kung dapat bang mag-focus tayo, Chim, doon sa
Oo.
relationship niyo na lalaking to because for all you know, Chim, this guy is not a permanent part of your life. For all you know, no? If you have been in a very delicate situation before, and that
Mm.
your mind is a fragile piece of your of your being a human,
Mm.
then as your friend, I'm going to suggest to you that you are not supposed to do anything that's going to make um, your mental state any worse. Nandun ako eh. Nandun ako sa part na yun.
Okay.
That is short, di ba, me saying na kung ganito na kalala yung binibigyan niyang strain sa confidence mo,
Mm. Mm.
then it shouldn't be dependent on him whether this is going to continue on or not. No? Alam mo, Chim, no, ganito.
Oo.
Kailan mo pa ako kilala, Chim?
Hmm?
Kailan mo pa ako kilala?
Kailan po kita kilala?
Kailan mo ba ako kilala?
Since 2014 pa yata, PPJ.
Matagal mo na akong kilala, ano? At alam mo that I often ask unfiltered questions, ano?
I really didn't observe that.
Ano po?
Hindi ko na-observe yan.
No, I mean, I often ask unfiltered questions kasi I am obnoxiously honest.
Unfiltered. Yes po, yes
yeah,
po.
I am-
Yes.
I've always been obnoxiously honest. That's how I describe it, no?
Yes po.
I could be mean, I could be no, kumbaga jovial ako sa inyo. Pero madalas akong ma'am, no, unfiltered sa inyo, no? Okay.
Kaya nga ikaw yung tinawagan ko, PPJ.
And
Kasi,
alam ko gusto ko kitang tanungin kanina pa pero tanungin na rin kita kasi
ano po yan?
a big chunk of our conversation, inamin mo naman sa akin na there are times that you have extra thoughts, no? Extra thoughts about the character, no? I'm so tempted to ask, confirm mo sa akin to, ha? Ito bang boyfriend mo, totoong tao ba ito, ma'am?
Yes po, of
Okay,
course.
thank you, no?
Kasi PPJ,
Okay na po yan, ma'am, hindi mo na kailangan paliwanag, no?
okay.
It's an itch that I just have to scratch sa usapan natin, no? Plus, ma'am, the fact that you're now working in a company. I would like to assume that you've gotten better over time. Tama ba? Okay. Ang saya-saya ko nung narinig ko sa'yo kanina na in so many words, you told me that you are doing so better. Tama, mali?
Yes
Tama?
po.
In so many words, no? You're telling me that the worst part of what you've been through mentally is over and done with. Tama?
Yes po.
Para ipadala ka ng company mo to take charge of an accounting task, di ba? I mean, nakaka-proud yun, ha? So I am laying the foundation of what I'm going to tell you, no? Chim, ganito yan, no? The most important character in this story is no other than you. Ikaw. Not the cruel memory of your first boyfriend, not the tragic memory that you remember when your mom and your dad were fighting and they are very violent and volatile. Not those, no. Not this guy who you thought was jittery pag hinahag mo siya. No. The most important person in this story is you. Anything that's going to harm your mental prowess, anything, ma'am, at all, I am against it as your friend. So kung sinasabi mo sa akin ngayon na Papa Jackson, burden sa utak ko. That's how I'm interpreting this, no? Burden
Yes.
sa akin yung burden sa akin yung the way I interpret his actions towards me. I feel kumbaga I feel undesirable sa paningin niya kasi syempre bilang tao at bilang babae masakit 'yan, tama?
Yeah.
Oo. I will just simply tell you to drop the relationship now. Kung tatanungin mo ka, then what do I do with my life? I want you to go ahead, continue working, go to the gym. So one day, you can face that wall again that you were supposed to climb, that made you realize that you have weak arms. I want you to make that as a goal na one day maakyat mo yan. Andun lang po ako, ma'am. Because that's small victory. That is a very small victory, but that is a very symbolic victory for you.
PPJ, yun kasi that's my issue right now because kasi yung self-worth ko, parang hirap akong i-balance siya, yung self-worth ko and my character po mismo. Kasi kaya I asked that to you if he really loves me kasi I'm afraid na, kasi right now I'm having a reserve right now na parang ayokong ibigay lahat-lahat sa kanya.
Ganito. This is universal. Hindi lang sa'yo to. Pag nakatagpo ka ng partner sa buhay, and this is applicable to you now and even in the future. Sa lahat po nakikinig sa atin, nanonood, this is applicable to all of us. Pag nakatagpo ka ng tao sa buhay mo bilang ka-partner, na feeling mo kailangan mo magtira para sa sarili mo, na hindi mo dapat ibigay ang lahat, you are with the wrong person. Kasi pag tama ang tao, bigay lahat, ma'am. Yes! Pag tama tao, bigay lahat. Kasi magtapos man yung relasyon na yon, na-enjoy mo siya ng todo.
Ganun ba yun?
Ganon yun, Jim. Ganon yun, Jim.
Hindi ba parang kasi, yung ginagawa ko kasi ngayon, PPJ, parang, alam mo yung parang kung ano yung binibigay sa akin, parang yun na lang din yung binibigay ko in
Tigilan niyo ako, narinig ko na yan sa mga kabataan, yung mga mirror, mga, di ba, mga mirror effect. No. When you fall in love, okay, when you fall in love, you give your all. It's not a guarantee that love affair will last a lifetime, okay? It's not a guarantee. Hindi guarantee yan. Masarap pag-usapan to, Chim, no? Hindi guarantee that love affair will last a lifetime. But, okay, makinig ka, Chim. I want you to digest what I'm going to tell you. It's not a guarantee that love affair will last a lifetime. You might be hurt, by the end of it. You might be shattered into a million pieces. You might be devastated. But, when you get over the pain and you look back, it was a ride worth taking. Yun ang pag-ibig. It was a ride worth taking.
Okay.
Diba? In the old saying they say, and I still believe this, I want you to hear it from me. Diba? The destination is just symbolic. It's the journey that matters the most.
Kasi, when I say something po,
Of course. Pakilakas mo.
kasi I learned my lesson kasi from previous that I gave my all until it went to a point na kasi na it became unhealthy na.
Okay, now.
So ngayon,
Okay,
parang-
wait. Okay, I heard you. Now. Okay, now, as we grow older, Jim, you are 35 years old, tama?
Yeah.
As we grow older, our sense of discernment improves exponentially.
Okay.
Okay? Let me say it again. As we grow older, our sense of discernment improves dramatically and exponentially. When you were younger, yung judgment mo Hindi ka parehas ng judgment mo ngayon. You are far better today.
Yes.
So, what exactly am I telling you? I'm telling you that when you were able to give your all when you were younger, given the fact that you are not as mature as now, di ba? Hindi ba dapat mas ibigay mo ang lahat ngayon given the fact that you have better sense of discernment? Now, what is your duty as a partner to anybody? Your duty is to find the right person. That is the duty. That is the motivation. And even then, hindi ka pa rin sure kung tama yung taong natagpuan mo. Because, truth be told, when we fall in love, it is not us that is supposed to benefit from it. Not us. We shouldn't be looking for someone to love us because that's equivalent to playing safe. It should be the other way around. We should be looking for someone to give ourselves to. Kasi pag ganun ang mindset natin, magtapos man, kung sakali lang, wag naman sana, magtapos man yung pag-ibig, alam mong mas nakinabang ka kasi mas nagmahal ka.
Pero, PPJ,
Yes, ma'am.
hindi ba love ay parang commitment? Parang ganun kasi parang my words kasi, I really value my words. And I told him that I commit na myself to you. I told him that. So like, parang ngayon, whether kahit ganito yung nararamdaman ko, parang I still want to like commit and parang,
Well,
alam mo yung parang,
Jim, I respect that you want to make true of your promises and your commitment and what you promised him. Tama? Okay. But, ready for this one? May sabihin ako sa'yo.
Okay.
Promises are not contracts. I'm sorry to break this news to all of you guys. Promises are not contracts. Promises are just a reflection of your intention as you were saying those words. Hoping that it remains the same and consistent. It's not contract.
Okay.
It can change. That's my point. That's my point. Alam mo, Jim,
Hindi
ganito
naman
Jim, I don't want to I don't want to ruin what you have achieved in life. No? You are accomplished as we speak tonight. You are. You are accomplished. That's a good thing. Anything that hinders your path to being more of you, better than you were, drop it. Including him, if he's just going to be detrimental to your health. I'm so nakaka-proud ka, alam mo ba 'yun? Nakaka-proud ka.
Thank you.
Yes. I mean, considering what you've been through. Nakaka-proud ka.
Ano po?
Sabi ko, considering what you've been through, nakaka-proud ka. Now, I will not give you advice regarding whether you stay with this guy or not. I'm going to give you a goal. I'm going to give you an assignment. Ready?
Opo.
Do you respect me? Jim?
Oh, yes. Yes.
I want you to make this as a goal. I want you to set a goal of making your upper body, not just the upper body, but your body stronger. And I want you to climb that wall. And one day when that happens, send me a photo.
Okay.
I want you to be, alam mo, ang sarap ng pakiramdam na yan. I want you to go ahead. I want you to climb that wall. I want you to go to that wall, look at that wall, and tell that wall, one day, I am going to conquer you. And who knows,
Okay.
who knows, Chim? It might be the first wall you're going to climb. And there will be many more of those walls that you're going to conquer. In life, you just have to take the first painful, maybe tricky, or maybe challenging step. But you have to take that first step. Take the first painful step. Climb that wall. Send me a photo. I want to congratulate you when that happens. That is an achievement in itself.
Mm-mm.
I'm so proud of you. Of what you have become and what you have achieved despite what you have been through. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay?
Yes po.
I don't normally do this and have to apologize to you for doing. I browsed through your profile.
Mm.
You have a loving family, as far as I can see.
Mm-mm.
Congratulations. Draw strength from them. Promise?
Yes po.
I'm going to expect that photo, okay?
Yes, PJ. Because I'm aiming to be an Iron Man.
Of course! Kaya! Kaya yan, Jim.
Yes.
Go ahead.
I just swam 4 kilometers last week.
Congratulations.
Yes.
I will talk to you soon.
Yes po.
Bye-bye, Jim. Good morning po.
Thank you po. Bye-bye.